Beverly Minor. I started with the firm in August of 1994, so it's been about 18 years. The orientation of the firm is really good. It's not just about your position. They will explain to you what our company actually does. So they explain the company, they give you a background of the company, which some companies don't. They just train you in that specific area. So I think that is excellent that Weltman Weinberg & Rees does that. Once you come out on the floor, you are with experienced people, depending on what position that you're in. And I think there's so much information available. We have it on the internet. We have our training booklets. So there's so much that you can learn from. They teach you the Ohio legal side of it before you come out. So you have some knowledge of what you're doing. If you've never been in this collection industry before, we wouldn't just send you out blindsided. It's customer service first. We are providing a service for our clients. We are also professional, and we need to treat everyone as an individual. I don't believe in, because it's a collector, you owe money that person is not a human being. We don't know what occurred in someone's life. The same thing could happen to us. I would describe Weltman Weinberg & Rees as a place that you can grow. It's full of opportunity. It's a training ground as well. It's full of knowledge. So for anyone coming, they may come and say, hey, I've never done collections, I'd like to try it. There's so many other different positions that if collections didn't work out for you, you'd have that opportunity for growth. Weltman has been in business over 80 years, so it is a company that's well established. There's just so many opportunities here at Weltman. We provide educational programs as well that you can use in your professional life as well as your personal life. So with the WWR University, there's so many things I didn't think I could use in my personal life.